Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Prey. First, select a difficulty that matches your comfort level, as this significantly impacts enemy strength and resource availability. Begin by exploring the initial areas of Talos Eye carefully. Look for useful items and listen to audio logs to understand the story. Focus your first neuromod upgrades on either combat abilities or stealth tactics, depending on your preferred approach to challenges. This early decision will shape your gameplay experience. When facing the Typhon, remember the glue cannon is your best friend. It can freeze enemies, allowing you to follow up with other weapons or escape. Stealth is often a powerful option. Sneak past foes or ambush them from cover to conserve resources. Always observe your surroundings for environmental hazards like explosive canisters or electrical conduits. Using these strategically can turn the tide of a difficult fight, saving you valuable ammunition and health. Effective resource management is crucial for survival on Talos Eye. Recycle all the junk you find into raw materials at a recycler. These materials are vital for crafting ammunition, medkits, and other necessities at fabrication stations. When it comes to neuromods, invest them strategically. Consider abilities like repair for fixing turrets, leverage for moving heavy objects, or mimic matter for unique traversal and stealth options. Plan your upgrades to complement your playstyle. As you progress, focus on completing your main objectives to unravel the mystery of Talos Eye. Don't forget to seek out optional side quests, as these often provide valuable rewards, unique items, and deeper lore. Remember to revisit previously explored areas once you acquire new abilities, such as Mimic Matter or Lift Field. These new powers can unlock hidden paths, secret stashes, and alternative routes, making your exploration more rewarding and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.